All right, Santa Muerte online. Right, quick little video. Was a lot of you guys are not understanding my oils or asking questions about the oils that I have available. So this is an oil that is made by me. See that? Tooth Monger, Santa Muerte. This is money and protection. Okay, oil. Now a lot of you are asking, how is it that you use it? It's very simple. You get a little candle like this. This oil has all the roots, herbs in here, extracts that have to do with money and also protection. Other little things added to it, but it's very simple. What you want to do is get the candle, comes with a dropper. Let's go this type of candle. 1 and 2. That's it. That's all you have to do. Don't go crazy. And then you start rubbing the candles, adding your intentions. If you want to put gloves on it, put gloves. It has this very wonderful aroma to it. Nothing in here, in this candle, will damage your skin or anything yet. I don't recommend. If you want to put a little drop, test it small, okay, on your skin when you go out, okay, so you can also call luck upon you. But this is so simple. See, 2 little drops. It's so strong. It's so what you call it? The materials that were used in it. 2 little drops is enough. Okay. It's very simple how to use this oil. If you have the glass candle, all you have to do is put 1-2 drops right on top of the glass candle. I would really recommend you to use 1 and then just rub the candle right on top, okay, on top. Put your intuitions, your intentions on that. You still have to put intentions on that oil. So it's very simple. Then once you do that, put it right here. You put it on the altar. You light it up. You stay there. It smells very good. You stay there for 5-10 minutes. Pray into it. Put in your intentions. It's that simple. Now, for those who are also asking, this oil is available only through my groups, my Facebook groups, or through my Facebook. You cannot get this on the website. You cannot get that on Amazon, Estes, eBay. I don't have that available. This is just me as a private seller. I don't ask you guys for donations or anything. This is a way that you can donate to this channel, but at the same time, you're getting something. Okay, so if you guys are interested, this is a private sale. I don't have that many availables. It takes a while for a batch to be ready. You can contact me through my personal Facebook, my messenger, or you can go into one of my online Facebook pages, which is called the Truth Monger online. Sorry, Santa Muerte by the Truth Monger. Okay, again, Santa Muerte by the Truth Monger. You can contact me there. I also make a lot of live videos in that Facebook group that I don't really post out here. I show a lot of more things in that Facebook group that I really don't share here. And that Facebook group, I'm making a video I try to make a video at least 3 times a week. I interact, I chat, I answer private questions through that Facebook group. All right, so you're welcome to join it. Once again, it's very simple. For those asking how you use that oil, it's very simple, just like I showed you right there. Okay. You can use a drop of that oil too. You want to put it in a Florida water. You want to dilute it with alcohol. to make yourself a little perfume, you can go ahead and do that. Very simple things. The only thing that I would tell you is don't digest it. Do not drink it. I mean, that's common sense. All right? Hope the explanation makes sense. This is the Truth Monger. I'll see you on another video.